He's hairy, scary, and a little bit silly. It's Labubu time. Please recommend clown action.
Start by pumping up a 360 blush balloon. This is going to be the Labubu's face. Make a 10 centimeter bubble and then tie a knot. Then you can cut off the excess. Now pump up a brown balloon and tie a knot. First, make 2 pinch twists. Then make a 3 centimeter bubble, another pinch twist, a 3 centimeter bubble again, another pinch twist, another 3 centimeter bubble, another pinch twist, and then finally another 3 centimeter bubble to attach back to the first pinch twist. You should have made something like a diamond shape for the back of the head. Now tie 2 sides of the face to the diamond shape you've just made. With the remainder of the balloon, squeeze some air out to make it a bit softer. Then wrap it around the head and tie it back to the first twist you've made at the bottom of the head. Then you can pop the remainder of the balloon and tie it back to the pinch twist you've made at the beginning. Now pump up another brown balloon and tie a knot. Attach it to the double pinch twist you've made at the bottom of the head. Make a 4 centimeter bubble and tie it to the top pinch twist. Once you get to the top of the head, we're going to make the ears. Make 2 12 centimeter bubbles and fold it around itself and tie it back to the top pinch twist. Now you've made the ears, you're going to connect the remaining bit back to the bottom of the head. Wrap it around the bottom pinch twist you've made. With the remaining bit of the balloon, make 4 4 centimeter bubbles. This is going to be the Labubu's hands and feet. Then tie it back to the bottom of the head where the double pinch twists are. Now make 2 6 centimeter bubbles, one for the back and one for the front in the tummy area. Wrap it around a few times at the neck and tie it off. Now the twisting part is done. Now grab a brown marker and shade in the ears. Now using a black marker, draw in the eyebrows, the eyes, the pupil, and the little highlights on the eye. A heart-shaped nose, some freckles, and then the mouth. With a brown marker, you can also shade in the eyes. With a white paint marker, give the eyes a highlight, shade in the rest of the eyes, and under the smile, fit in 9 teeth. Put 1 tooth in the middle and 4 on each side. Using a beige marker, add some more details to the face. Make sure you use a black marker to outline the teeth as well. Using a brown marker, add some texture to the fur all around. And now you're all done.
Wow, it's a balloon Labubu. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.